since we've talked about, hosting, our work, yeah, curious lang ko, like, what were the challenges bitaw surrounding trying to establish your name as a
Ooh.
creative, not only as a host.
Mhm.
Oo. Okay, I'm sure daghan mig tag
Daghan
challenges,
kayong
especially
challenges,
here,
oy.
no, sa Cebu. Mm-mm.
That's a good question.
Murag pageant ba?
Pageant gid na.
That's a good question.
Thank you for that wonderful question. um,
Oo.
kuan lisod kayo mag-build og name oy samot na if wala kay connections.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, siguro ang sa man ha ako ma-recall ang pinaka kuan gyud ang pinaka I think pinakalisod gyud ang magsugod. So you really have to work hard to penetrate the industry that you want to get into. So for example ako, pag host nako nidawat jud kog mga free nga events. Nidawat jud kog mga ex-deal bisag wala na koy bisag ako pay mo gasto. Kay I feel like I need this.
Yeah.
Nya mura siya
Yeah.
investment. So kana siya lisod if wala kay connection kay dili beta ni sana nipo babies
Yeah.
nga we're being served nig anak nato na natay opportunity og career direction. So
Mm-mm.
kita nga wala gipamana sa ato ang ginikanan so murag kalawon ba to. So murag kuan gyud ganang hustle hard gyud.
Yeah,
O
hustle
sa
hard
Bisaya pa
yun.
hustle hard, di
Oh,
ba?
yeah,
Kay
actually.
murag kayo jud so murag kato siya number one connections lisod kaayo kay start jud ka from scratch unya if you really want this unya you feel like na jud kay ma-serve kana makit-an mo gud nimo na sa imong self if like kanang feeling nako
Wait,
na jud koy
I have
something.
something to bring to the table,
Yes,
gyud.
exactly.
In this niche ba, kaning nga part.
Yes, yes. So
Oo.
murag you really have to work hard unya dapat professional jud ka kanang
Imong work ethic, no?
yes basically
No, imong
work
work
ethics
ethic,
yun
yeah.
nakoy sa to nga ako nakoy nadunggan nga murag TikToker nga nagyap siya. This is not verbatim ana siya nga you can beat me with your following, you can beat me with your aesthetics but you can never beat me with my work ethics. Kay
Boom.
murag kanang feeling gid nako mo jud ni pinakapuhunan imo jung work ethics.
Tinuod jud. Kay mo tatakbi ana.
Mutatak
Wherever
siya.
you go, like, for example, if I get to work with that person and then that person hears my name, or then another person mentions
Exactly.
my name, oh yeah, yeah, she can, like, yeah,
Yeah.
she can work with you. Ngani
Can
siya.
vouch for you.
Kana ba?
That's how sa atong industry works man kay referral man yun. So dapat
Mm-mm.
you treat people equally nya dapat ay mong work ethics kuan gyud ka like imo jud nang dapat it comes naturally like dapat himuon nimo siyang batasan
Yeah.
nga dapat okay nindot ang imong work ethics kay if bati kag batasan
Nadyo'y balance gyud. It shouldn't be all about work. Like,
mhm,
yes, of course, moingon ta nindot ka mo trabaho, but it would be nothing bitaw. Mawala ang value if you do not have common decency, good
yes
manners and right conduct. Inga na
yes
bitaw, which I think unfortunately is slowly fading,
mhm,
especially in the digital age
mhm,
where everything we see online bitaw is very, like, idealistic ba.
mhm,
And people often think that it's so easy for these creatives or the people online to achieve the life that they're living now, forgetting that they have gone through so many
mhm,
challenges to get
yes
there. So I think sa kana nga aspect gani, some people, dili tanan, some people would forget nga, of course, for me to get there, I have to change my bad ways
mhm,
and improve
yes
my personality,
mm.
and of course, along with that is some work
Yes.
ethics.
And it's important that you surround yourself with the right people.
Amen.
Not just the people nga moingon nga maayo ka, nindot ka, gwapo ka, gwapa ka.
Yeah.
Dapat the people also nga moingon sa imong bati tim gibuhat. Or
Yes.
you need to change this kay
Oo.
diha ka makaibaw kinsa ang tinuod gyud nga friend or
Mm.
tinuod gyud nga ni care for you
Yeah.
because tungod ging nang kanila ana meaning they want you to change.
They want you
Kay
to grow.
it at the end of the day para masad na nimo, 'di ba?
Yes.
Ako personally maihap nako sa akong mga kamot ra ang mga tawo nga moingon nako ana.
Mm.
Kana bitong mo dare gid og say nga sayop na imong gibuhat.
Yeah.
Kunya dili to maayo ang imong gibuhat.
Mm.
Unya dapat din mo siya i-take
Of
personally. 'Di
course.
ba? Sometimes lisod it's easier said than done. Kay dili mo gud nimo siya naandan, mura mo gud nabatasan, murag na normalize nimo
Yeah.
nga okay ni siya nga batasan. Lang ng Filipino time.
Mm.
I think daghan kay makarelate ana. Nabatasan nimo nga maabot kag 30 minutes late ingon na, di ba?
Yeah.
Unya naay niingon nimo mura kag niigking kay naay usa ka person nga
Uy,
niingon nimo nga uy sayop na yung gibuhat ha, nya murag ikaw baka ma-hurt man jud ang imong
Yeah,
ego, di ba?
oo.
Nga ingana day nga sayop dito. Bisag lisod siya tunlon asahay, dapat nimo siyang i-absorb kay kuan man gud siya kanang para ra sad siya sa imuha. Unya, ni care sad ni nga mga tao nimo. They want to see you grow and flourish in the industry. Therefore, nistorya sila ni nga mga feedback. Unya dapat imo jud sa di work sa imong kaugalingon. Uy, kay murag they can only do so much.
Yeah, I really like how you touch on that nga part ba kay 'di ba I ask you nga what were the challenges and
Mm.
then you touched more on the interpersonal
Mhm.
na side. And I think sometimes the challenge is ourselves.
Yes,
Oh my
yes,
God,
yes.
deep.
So
Ito,
unsang imong mga
so
challenges?
katong part nga ni mention ka nga how one of the challenges of achieving our dreams can sometimes be ourselves
Mhm.
apart from external factors man pod. I think that's also one factor that we also have to consider
Mhm.
when we try to achieve the things that we want in life, that there are certain things that we have to change within
Mhm.
ourselves. And you asked me earlier, 'di ba, nga kanang unsa pod ang challenge pod akong na-encounter putting myself out there.
Yeah.
It's so interesting sa ako kay 'di ba I've asked you the same question and I've reflected on mine while you were talking. Anak ko lahi man di ako ano kay ba ka sa pageant world I I didn't have a hard time putting myself out there kay I consider it as a blessing that people come to me naturally.
Mhm.
Mo ingon sila nga, uy, apil ta ani
Mm.
nga pageant, let's go here in this event. And then one thing led to another.
Mhm.
So di ra pod pageants ang niabot sa kuha. And then when I talk about me being a songwriter and a singer,
Yeah.
diha ako maglisod.
Why?
As in like it's so kanang interesting to think about ba kay established na ba ako diri unta kaninga
Mm.
side as a beauty queen, but
Mm.
me as a singer-songwriter medyo nag-struggle pa ko. Well, bago pa man sad ko nibalik sa ako ang musical
Mm.
side kay stop man for quite some time sa pageant sa music side since I was pursuing
Yeah, yeah. Miss
beauty
Universe.
pageants and
Mm.
Miss Universe Philippines. So pagbalik na ako naglisod kog establish. So karon that's the challenge I'm facing right now and I've reflected nga I still do have a struggle sa akong self. In
Like,
terms
if you don't
of,
mind,
yeah,
like,
of course, yeah. I feel like me, dili man ko kuanad ka na bitong magsigig post about sa akong self.
yes, yes.
Kanang magsigig ana sa phone, like mag-video niya.
Mm.
I don't know. I feel happy for people who do
To do
that,
that.
but I can't
It's a
find
skill.
it in my heart to do it for myself when
Mm.
I know it's beneficial for me.
Yes.
But lately, I've been doing my best gyud ka na maghimog cover, 'di ba?
Mm.
Mag-post-post. I know you've noticed nga
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
mag-post-post akong mga
Actually,
videos.
dito ko nakakita ang mga natay similarities. Katulad ka
Yeah.
nag-post kasi mga video nga, you're like a jack of all trades.
Yeah.
Kaya murag, as someone nga daghan kay interests, 'di ba murag kanang usahay makapangutana sa self na ba ni padulungan kay murag permi na ipangutana sa ako sa akong mga boss. Like it's very complicated
Yeah,
no kay
yeah.
murag ganahan ko buhaton siya tanan. Pero I'm still figuring out og asa gyud ko mo-focus. For now akong gitry nga hosting pero since dili gyud sad sustainable ang hosting practically, financially, so ni-touch ko og laing nga mga work.
And that's the beauty of it. Kaya ba ka, there was one
Beautiful
person.
mess. Sarap.
Kinan ko na beautiful mess. Pwede sa may mong kanta actually.
Kanta na siya actually kung sa akong gigamit.
Okay.
Kanta na siya. Imita ko nimo na mag-andam nga mga vocab diri. Sige, sige.
Oo. There was one person nga who said the same thing sa ako
Oo.
Siya nga naglibog bitaw ko unsa jud ka. Like ang mga tao maglibog nimo if you're a beauty queen or and sa akong though I didn't said anything to that person, but at the back of my mind when she was saying that, nga na lang ko nga that's the beauty of it. I mean, di ba kita man tanan, we're still trying to figure things out, di ba?
Yeah,
We're
yeah.
still trying to figure things out, and that's the beauty of trying to figure things out. You get to experience a lot of things, and each part that you discover more about yourself in
Yeah.
each of those parts. Kaya ako personally, I'm a beauty queen, and
Yeah.
then I do modeling, and then hosting. Yung mo kanta ko, I write songs,
Yeah,
and then
yeah, yeah.
hilig pa siya kog terrariums.
Sa terrarium.
Kan terrarium kan gagmay na sila nga ecosystems. Na mo na siya forest nga gagmay mo nang lingaw kay ko.
Interesting.
Oh, as
Interesting.
in cute kay na siya. Basta check it out on TikTok.
Would you consider yourself like a geek or something?
I think.
Which is good.
Yeah, hilig sa ko mo basag libro. Di ba nagdagan ko ganap bitaw.
Wow. Yeah,
Kita
yeah.
daghan kita ganap
Yeah.
nga people looking outside by the third person perspective. Huy, unsa man ni siya? Uy, kadaghan ba ni?
Yeah.
Unsa man gini siya? they would never understand unless sila mismo maka-experience.
Yeah.
But we don't take that against them.
I think also because katong gi-mention ganina nga sa social media, I
Mm-mm.
think sa social media manggod ang common manggod nga makit-an kay kanang sa atong edad or bisag dili sa atong edad bisag sa atong generation bitaw murag naa na achieve nga murag either model siya or businessman nga murag naagid sila murag gi-pressure ta sa atong generation o sa social media nga dapat naa lang kay focus nga isa or naa lang kay ma-achieve at a certain level,
Yeah,
'di ba?
because we only show parts because most of the time on social media, we only show parts of ourselves that looks good.
Yes,
Kay
yes.
I feel like parang like based sa ato,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
sure
I would
you would
agree.
understand na when people see that you do a lot of things,
Mhm.
it becomes hazy manggod para sa ila. It
Mm.
kinds of blurry like asa man jud ka? Unsa man gid imong gibarugan? What are you really
Yes.
doing?
Yes.
Ana man gud nilang makita.
Mm.
So it kind of comes off, it sends a negative notion sa ilaha.
Yeah.
So mo nang kasabot ko when people ask, but I also understand nga kita kasabot ko sa ato apod
Mm.
nga it's fun. There's beauty in it, manggod. You get to discover more
Mhm.
about ourselves and it expands opportunities.
Yes, yes.
Like for example, if ma-host ka, nga ikaw example lang ha, host ka
Mhm.
nya, na event diri for terrarium sa Hilikag Terrarium, why not?
Yes,
'Di ba? Like
yes. Yes.
everything would merge, cross-posting. Oh.
You know what? It's a good thing you see it that way.
Oo.
Pero basig it's kuan ka nga person like half empty or half full ka nga pagka person.
Unsa man na?
'Di ba
Pasabot.
naman the type of person nga if optimistic ka or pessimistic murag you see things in a different way ba like ang botelya daw. Do you see it like if tunga ang tubig, do you see it as half empty or half full?
Mas maglibog ko.
Do it make sense? Basta natoy mo exercise nga marag for example, if ang botelya
An
daw nakatunga ra ang tubig, how do you see it? Half empty or half filled? Dili half full. Half empty or half filled? How do you see it, man? Mura na sa diha ma-determine if unsa kang klase nga
okay. So
pagkatao.
if ang container, if
Yes, exactly. So murag when you see yeah, 'di ba? There's our camera
full.
talking, cameraman
It's
talking.
half full.
Half full
Sorry.
mo ha. So murag ako murag
Ibaw ka.
feeling nako di man ko optimistic man ko pero like sometimes I see things murag half empty. For example, ikaw you see that in that way nga.
If I may,
Yeah, go.
I'm
You
just
may. Sige,
June,
sige, sige.
July, August.
Ganahan ko how kanal and how aircon your humor is. Sige, sige, sige,
Sige
Vic.
ka nang, kuan ba? Kato, akong perspective, I think I was just trying to give them another perspective kay, kato lagi, we were tapping man good on more sa ila, how they see us.
Mhm.
Yeah, kita, being in that position, there is a challenge. But at the
Mhm.
same time, we know nga, lingaw siya.
Yeah.
Ano ba, mo akong point nga, that's why I said that perspective kay to at least give them another
A
light.
view.
Yeah,
Mm.
another light of what they were thinking about what we're really doing.
Yes. But sometimes, for example, I don't know, mosad sigurong lisod lisod i-market ang atong self, no? Murag, sa creative industry ba, kay for example, unsa man jud ka, ingonani ka or
Kana
ingonani
sad.
ka,
That's also
murag
the
ang ilang
downside.
manggunandan,
Yeah.
dapat ingonani ra ka.
Yeah. Kana po
Nagets
ng
ka?
downside, no?
Lisod siya if daghan
If you're...
kag interests.
Mm-mm.
I feel like, kuan siya, struggle siya if you're a starting nga kanang creative.
Mm.
Kaya you can't be like all over. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi ka pwedeng makalat kung sa Tagalog.
Yeah,
Dapat
kana.
nakay-focus mo nang
May
siguro
focus.
nang ako nakatunan karon nga sige mo focus lang sa hosting bisag na ako
Mm-mm.
interest into video production, into teaching, into public speaking, into like journalism, focus sa siguro hosting kay murag ang mga tao naglibog. Like your question bang murag unsa na magid imong trabaho? Wait, sa unsa man ganahan ang kanang full-time, ang akong for fun nga work or for passion, daghan man jud. So murag kana siya ang siguro ang takeaway lang is like it's okay to figure it out. No murag
Yeah, kana ra
okay
jud.
ra gyud nga naata sa figuring out regardless of your age.
Yeah.
As long as you're earning and it pays your bill.
At wala kang tinatapakan na tao.
Yes.
Wow, Tagalog.
And it gives you sanity. Kana
Oo,
bitaw murag
kana.
if feeling nimo murag diri ka happy, murag I think okay ra nga mag-figure out ka. Murag
Hinay-hinay basta.
kanunay.
Yeah,
Yes,
kanunay.
kana siya murag just keep creating lang gyud nya. Siguro maabot lang gyud sa time nga makita na nimo ang imong identity. Murag
Yeah.
normal siguro
I
siya
think
nga struggle.
mo hinay gani siya ka
Make sense.
ma-filter siya ba?
Mhm.
Ma-filter nimo until you finally decide, oh, this is what I really want to do na di ay long
Yes,
term.
yes.